আমি এখন আছি কাতার ইন্টারন্যাশনাল এয়ারপোর্ট দোহা. This is the biggest international airport of the world. It is the very beautiful. This is a wine shop. There are every wine brand: Germany, France, Italy, American, England, everywhere. Every country's drinks is here. There is Garara, Borkar dokan eta. This is a sunglass shopping mall. It is very beautiful. This is a leather mat এখানে চামড়ার পোশাকপত্র আছে. This is a mat. Hello sir, how are you? I'm fine, good. You looking heavy, handsome. It is very beautiful. This is a beauty shopping mall. There is women product is here. Every women products is here. This is a very luxurious. It is very beautiful. It is very beautiful. This is a chocolate chips, water, and many products is here. This is a restaurant, coffee shop, restaurant, and other side. This sides. Many people is here. Many countries is here. Is eating for this site. It is very beautiful. Doha International Airport is obviously very beautiful. So we are everybody visit this place thinking the better. This is the wash shop, luxurious wash shop. There is a Rolex and every bands, world class bands is here. This is a perfume product, perfume, shampoo, conditioner. There is a dollar sale, dollar, euro, and dirham. Dollar, euro, and dirham. Dollar, dirham. This is a Toyota, Mercedes-Benz, Range Rover. Everywhere shopping is here. It is very, very beautiful. This is a gold jewelry shopping complex, Doha International Qatar shopping mall. This is a gold, everywhere gold, and 22 karat gold. 22 karat gold. Everywhere diamond and gold. Thanks.
Hello sir.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
Good.
It's a plate, gold plate?
No. All gold sir.
All golds. Oh, it's nice, gorgeous.